Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Zerodha console account is active and noting recent changes, because context matters. Once done, update your browser or the Kite app to the latest release, then clear cache, cookies, and local storage to remove stale sessions. Make sure to log out from all devices and log back in. This often resolves token or session conflicts. If the problem persists after a fresh login, stay here. We'll use developer diagnostics next to pinpoint errors. You now run targeted diagnostics with developer tools so you know what failed and why. Open DevTools, monitor the console for JavaScript errors, and the Network tab for 4xx or 5xx responses, CORS blocks, WebSocket drops, or authentication token failures. Once you reproduce the issue, disable browser extensions and retest to rule out interference. Make sure to copy exact error messages, request ID, and timestamps. These details are essential for a precise fix or for escalation to Zerodha support. You finish by applying the identified fix, such as refreshing authentication tokens, unregistering service workers, or reinstalling the app. These resolve most persistent state issues. Once done, verify on an alternate device or network to confirm the problem doesn't reproduce. If it still fails, export DevTools logs, include request ID and timestamps, and contact Zerodha support. Provide those details so they can trace server-side errors. One tip: if support asks, create a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.